Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to configure sender actions for template form fields in BoldSign. Sender actions let the template creator decide what a sender can do to each field. Can they edit it? Can they delete it? Or should both actions be restricted? This matters because when senders have full control over template fields, a few things can go wrong. A sender can delete a critical field. They can change field settings that were meant to stay standardized. They can replace a controlled field with something inaccurate. And over time, the same template produces inconsistent documents. With sender actions, you prevent that. You set permissions per field, edit only, delete only, both or neither. So your template stays consistent while still allowing the right level of flexibility. Now let's use a scenario. Imagine an HR manager creates a job application template. HR associates will use it daily to send applications to candidates. The manager wants associates to fill in recipient details and send quickly, but not change critical fields that affect compliance and consistency. Let's walk through how to set that up. First, sign into your BoldSign account. Click Create New and select Create New Template. On the Prepare Template page, enter the template title and description. Upload the document you want to use. Then define the roles for the template. Once that's done, click Next to move to the Configure Fields page. Now we'll add fields and set sender actions for each one. Start by adding a field for the job role. Place the field in the appropriate location. Open the field settings. Make the field mandatory. Then add the available job roles. Only the roles your organization supports. For this field, we don't want senders changing the list of roles, so we'll restrict editing. In the field settings, find the section labeled Allow Sender Actions. You'll see two options: edit this field and delete this field. Both are enabled by default. Edit this field controls whether senders can modify the field settings when using the template. Delete this field controls whether senders can remove the field entirely when using the template. For the job role field, disable Edit this field. Keep Delete this field enabled. This means the sender can remove the field if the document doesn't require it, but they can't change the role list or field settings. Next, add the attachment field for supporting documents. Place the attachment field where the candidate should upload a file. In the settings, add a title and specify the required format based on your process. Also make the field mandatory. For this attachment field, we don't want senders deleting it, because the file is required for every application. Go to Allow Sender Actions, disable Delete this field. Now the sender can't remove that required upload field. Next, add a hyperlink field that points signers to your Terms and Conditions page. Set the display text. Add the URL in the hyperlink settings. For this field, we don't want the sender to edit it, and we don't want the sender to delete it, because it's the organization's official terms link. So in Allow Sender Actions, disable both Edit this field and Delete this field. That makes the hyperlink field locked down. Finally, add the signature field in the required location. Once all fields are placed and configured, save the template by clicking Save Template. Now let's see what this looks like for an HR associate using the shared template. Switch to an HR associate account that has access to the shared template. Go to Templates and open Shared Templates. Locate the template you want to use. Open its menu and choose Use Template. On the Prepare page, enter the recipient details. Then click Next to move to the Configuration page. Here's where the permissions become visible through the field behavior. First, check the job role field. When you select it, you'll notice editing is restricted. The settings that the template creator locked down won't be available to change. And since deletion is allowed for this field, the sender can still remove it if needed. Next, check the attachment field. Because delete permission was restricted, the sender cannot remove it. The delete and cut actions won't be available for that field. Now check the hyperlink field. Because both edit and delete were restricted, the sender can't modify it and can't remove it. The settings are inactive, making the field non-editable. Once the sender finishes preparing the document, they can send it out for signature as usual. And that's how to configure sender actions for template form fields in BoldSign. By setting per-field permissions, you protect critical fields, reduce errors, and keep templates consistent, while still giving senders the right amount of flexibility. If you found this tutorial useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.